Alright, I just tested my smoke machine on the M52 here, and it appeared as if I had a valve cover gasket leak. So I pulled the engine cover off, and now it appears as the 6th cylinder spark plug boot or something's leaking. Here's what I saw. You can see the smoke coming specifically from that coil. Do it one more time. It's coming out from behind, whereas the others are completely sealed. So I'm guessing it may be the boot. Now I'm going to pull it and hit it again and see what happens. Hopefully it's not a cracked head.